Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest for the evening is a space scientist of international repute and technical leader par excellence. He currently holds the responsibilities of Vice President, Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology, and Chairman, Board of Governors, National Design and Research Forum. Prior to taking up his current responsibilities, he led more than 2,500 scientists and engineers as director ISRO Satellite Center by expanding ISRO's horizons, making 12 to 15 satellites per year and developing new technologies. Accordingly, 30 state-of-the-art satellites have been launched and few more are ready for launch. Prior to that, he led two of the most significant achievements of ISRO, namely Chandrayaan-1 and the Mars Orbiter mission. This was in the capacity of project director and program director for the respective missions. He has contributed towards more than 60 satellites made in India. His entire resume is an education in itself. The very list of his awards and accolades would take me the entire evening to list out, so I will not get into that. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming to the podium and stage Dr. Mayilswamy Annadurai, Padma Shri.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to one and all. This particular evening, as Anand told, there is a technical glitch. So that calls for me to take our usual way of space technology, pull out plan B. That means Mayilswamy Annadurai is talking without a PPT in an audience like this in the evening. Yeah, I think today, as rightly told, the possible decisions what we are seeing in front of our eyes, the service industry alone may not be able to really able to pull back. Definitely agriculture and the manufacturing industries of India need to rise to the occasion, and probably the policymakers also will give the required impetus for that. If that happens, what is the readiness of the manufacturing industries? I think that is the parameter I feel this year's National Award for Manufacturing Competitiveness point of view, when Mr. Anand Louis is telling about, I see like that. That means instead of seeing the progress card of today, what is the readiness to take the challenge? What is the readiness to forecast what can come and how we can, the manufacturing industry can grab the situation? I think that's what the parameter they're looking for. If I look back back to my domain of space industry also, a similar situation somewhere in 2011 it happened. That means the project what I was doing could not continue around that time frame, assuming the manufacturing industry, a well-defined way it goes. And there is a thing like automobile, something like that you think about that. So something similar happened there. And there was no other project in the site. The Government of India organization in India, we are talking about that. But prior to that, definitely you look at there, we made a first maiden mission to the moon, Chandrayaan-1, and that made, though it was the 70th mission go to the moon, whether between US, elsewhere, Russia, Europe, Japan, many countries have tried it, and ours was the 70th mission go to the moon. And in spite of that, I think we made a path-breaking discovery of water on the moon. Our Chandrayaan is able to do it in 2008 and 9 time frame. So we were at the top of the level. Just I'm trying to give the parallels how the industry versus that can come. So we are at the top of the thing, and we thought what we are going to ask, government will go. Yes, exactly. They came back with the Chandrayaan 2 project approval, which for Chandrayaan 1 we took nearly 3 to 4 years for government approval to come. That's typically a time frame it happens there. But whereas Chandrayaan 2, we got the approval a matter of 4 weeks. So that is the change it happened, whatever the performance is given there. But within the span of next 2 to 3 years, the whole thing got changed. The whole thing got changed. 2011, though we progressed well, our partner has pulled back. So we could not continue the original envisaged way. The schedule was getting into problem. Budget, definitely, whatever we asked for original budget, we could not do. No other project was within our hand. So existing, you cannot continue, and you don't have something in sight. I think that is the time frame wherein Mission Mangal came to our side. Mission Mangal we identified. Instead of going to the moon, why can't we go to the Mars? That's a very, 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 really a crazy idea. But as a team, we rose to the occasion and we showed a matter of during that the speed factor, how it comes within the 18 months using the same budget of other one. I think when we made around the Mars when we made, many times I told, it was the 5th attempt for US, 9th attempt for Russia, yet to China or Japan had to succeed. But still, a mission which was conceived totally different way. More or like a plan B to make my team to keep it alive. The team which has done a path-breaking mission to Chandrayaan was running out of project, but how to regroup them and do it? I think that's the way we have done that. And that made, when the September of 2014, 24th, when it acquired around the Mars, the first ever country to make in the history of aerospace to acquire the Mars, and the first attempt itself, we have done it. Exactly, though that mission made that history, that is only outside the world to tell. But back to me, it brought back handful of projects. The handful of projects, that's how once upon a time we are leisurely doing like any government of India organization. 4 years, one satellite is good enough. I think very leisurely we can do. But after this thing, Prime Minister of India called for a 2-day session Delhi and putting forward to all the departments, yes, ISRO is capable of doing such a missions, shoestring budget, very, very compressive schedule, make it success. When these things are available, they are ready to go to the moon or Mars and do remote sensing there with such a competitive way. What are all the things we expect from respective departments? All the 70-odd departments of the center as well as the state chief secretaries were asked. Then they came out with their requirement from each one of the department. That translated into 80 spacecrafts to be realized by ISRO for the next matter of 5 years. That means asking rate is now not 3 or 4 years on satellite, every 4 weeks on satellite. That is the speed requirement has come. How to do it? This is now another way situation. One side, in your plate, nothing was out. Now very next opportunity, your plate is fully full. How to take it? I think that is the occasion where we brought in how the industry, Indian industry can help to us, rise to the occasion, come and share with our workload. And we opened it up in a big way, again calling for another conference in Delhi, opening it up to the industry. Yes, we have all the standard things. Standard means a mission which is supposed to go to the moon, we are able to go to the Mars. That means we have a standardized system. That system, whether remote sensing satellite, meteorological satellite, communication satellite, navigation satellite, or cartography satellite, science mission, I think all one and the same. For you, the volume we can give. We will configure within ourselves as the different satellites. Are you ready to take it? I think the people have taken it very, very positively. Accordingly, space manufacturing, previously called spacecraft, that means you have to craft the satellite. Crafting to manufacturing domain, I think we brought in using Mangalyaan. So Mangalyaan making a history is only outside. Mangalyaan is rewriting what's supposed to be done within the space organization is a totally different way. That means the first time manufacturing the satellite concept we brought in. And that is the reason why the number of 30, 40, whatever we told, it's happened that way. So, story behind it talks about is, today's crisis also, I feel something like that. What was 2011? A gloomy situation brought in a golden opportunity. I think like that, I foresee, probably you can foresee, because within the space industry, I have foreseen a gloomy situation to a golden opportunity. I think that may be the term probably we can use when we're talking about national awards for manufacturing competitiveness when you are getting. You take back and home, whenever the award when you are seeing, this is today's condition provides a golden opportunity for manufacturing industry, provided we are think slightly out of box, may not be totally away, but slightly out of box if we think, probably, I believe, definitely we can get that opportunity. Because opportunity always I used to tell, even while before coming here also, some of the group, their employees, I was talking with them. While talking with them, I was telling, I also believe, always I believe, there was answer for every question. There was a solution for every problem. Provided we are ready to ask the proper question, the answer is waiting. Answer is always waiting. Solution is always waiting. Only the way in which you look forward definitely will come. So that way, today when we are assembling here for this award function, I foresee probably within yourself you can think about what is that golden opportunity as a manufacturing industry we can take. And that too, when we're taking this award is more than, normally people will tell many awards I'm getting like that. Always every award I used to take, it is more than the honor, it is an additional responsibility for me to live up to the expectations of that award. Similarly, I think this whomever the award we are taking, irrespective of whether it's a bronze or gold or platinum, irrespective of that, award is award. That award gives an opportunity, award gives a challenge, how we can take this rise to the occasion and look for that golden opportunity which was elusive as on today. I think that way if you do, definitely the industry grows, along with the industry, nation also grows. So that way, a new paradigm for the Indian industry point of view, definitely we can write. Indian economy, nation, people, everybody is waiting for that. And the new generation also waiting for with the hope and aspirations towards that. I think International Research Institute of Manufacturing are providing a pedestal and doing a good amount of work, and especially when writing, telling for that, instead of looking for the progress card, they're looking for how you can look for the future and get ready for that. I think this is the thing when we go. Definitely, when we're talking about Industry 4.0 and the beyond, and I think many things in the off, definitely manufacturing industry can rise to the occasion and do wonders. It doesn't mean we can go to the Mars successfully, but when doing it here, yes, there is also another thing. Chandrayaan 2, we have done, almost we have done. I think there is a caution also. There is a lesson there also. Almost we have done. 384,000 kilometers gone. And from there also came down from 100 kilometers around the moon, came down to 30, 35 kilometers. From there also we went down. Up to 2 kilometers, everything was nice. Then 2 kilometers onwards, a small deviation came. And the deviation made the system to collapse. Before the plan B to be taken and do that, I think that is 330 meter around, it has collapsed. And I think it's a no-return case, now it has happened. So definitely there is also a lesson. That means everything can happen until the end, but definitely even the end also needs to be seen properly. So that way, our success story, as well as a partial success story, also tells a lot of lessons back to our Indian manufacturing industry is concerned. With that small note, my congratulations to all the award winners. And this award, as I told, gives you an opportunity to look back what we have done and look ahead what we can do. So one is joy and the responsibility. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best. Yusuf.